Hi friends, in this video we will see the how to delete the repository. So come here, click the first profile, your profile. Okay, so here is showing some popular repositories. Okay, here is showing a repository. So suppose I did not want to this repository, I want to change, I want to delete this repository. So do one thing, click here. Okay, click this.
After that comes in setting. Click here in setting and scroll down.
Okay, and scroll down here, danger zone. Click here, delete repository. Okay, click here, and now again click the I want to delete this repository. Select this one. Now after that read this and delete is I have read and understand this effect. Click, and now put the here is which one repository you want to delete. So can you see here is showing, here is showing repository name. Suppose this repository you did not want, so just type this and delete. Can you see here is a deleted? Okay, now only see, cannot able to see here, right?